After your robot has been deployed, you need an easy-to-use tool to perform the robot maintenance to keep it running. Robot Maintenance Toolbox provides robot engineers with both a terminal-based user interface and a graphical user interface to quickly monitor, diagnose, and restore the robot operation. Through network connection to a robot deployed at a remote site, Robot Maintenance Toolbox provides you a graphical interface to display the critical information of the robot, such as the motor RPM, current, and temperature. Together with the Robot Assisted Driving Toolbox, you can manually interact the robot from your office, display sensor data, and analyze the robot behavior to quickly identify the root cause of many issues. If a remote network connection is not possible, the full capability of the graphical user interface is still available to you with minimal hardware requirements. Through the use of just a computer running Linux and a serial or CAN connection, the terminal-based tool provides the same functions as the graphical user interface. The toolbox supports many popular robots, and both the TUI and the GUI are highly customizable for different robots. The toolbox works together with the Robot Deployment Toolbox and the Robot Assisted Driving Toolbox. For more information about Robot Maintenance Toolbox, please visit the product page.